What's going on, everybody? This your boy Papa Bear, and I got the baby bears with me today. And today we are making what?
Slime!
Yes, sir. We're gonna make some slime today. So
I never made slime before.
you never made slime before?
Kaya did.
Kaya did?
Yeah.
Well, we went on YouTube to learn how to make slime. So the first thing we learned is some hand soap. We got some hand soap right here. You know, we got some what that is, dish detergent, some for the wash your clothes with.
Yeah.
And we got some styling stay glue gel that
To
we're gonna
wash
use.
your hair.
Yeah, some gel. You know, it's kind of sticky. You know, but some stuff where you don't have to. So we don't have to use no glue. So,
No.
all right. So first thing is first. All right, this is the first thing we're gonna do. Okay, Monty. You're gonna take this and you're gonna pour some in your bowl. Oh, we forgot one thing. Hold up. The spoons.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let me get y'all some spoons.
You got these for some. 2 spoons. Okay, get it.
2 spoons. Okay.
I'm gonna take this. How much?
Just pour it in there. Let me help. Okay.
That's enough?
Yep, that's enough. And here go yours.
Oh, mine. That's enough?
That's enough. All right.
Look at mine. Mine's.
So y'all see it already kind of look like sticky and you know. So all right. So what we're gonna do is, okay, we're gonna take this and we're gonna put both their bowls in the freezer.
Yeah.
For like how long? 5 minutes.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put their bowls in the freezer for like 5 minutes. Okay.
And we're just gonna have to wait.
Alright, we're gonna put it in the freezer for like 5 minutes. Should we top them up?
Yeah.
No, we're gonna take the tops off. Come on, bring it back. We're gonna take the tops off. But this is our first time, you know, making slime.
Yeah.
They've been asking me to do it, so we're gonna do it today. So we're taking it, we're gonna put it in the freezer for how long?
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Alright.
Freezer.
So let's set it here for 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Yeah, 5 minutes, y'all.
Alright.
5 minutes.
And we're gonna let it sit for 5 minutes, and after the 5 minutes are up, we're gonna come right back to y'all.
Yep.
Okay. But you know, I just thought of something. But while we waiting on
Slime.
the hand soap, gonna turn to the slime. While we waiting on that, we're gonna get this ready. The other stuff that goes to the slime, okay? So hold on, let me see if we got like some. Oh no, it don't. All right, so we're gonna spray that in the bowl. Ooh, ooh, keep going. That's sticky too.
Yeah.
That's real sticky. All right, now that should be enough. And we're gonna go to yours.
Sticky.
Show the camera how it look, man. Y'all see that? Look how real sticky it is. Like, look like glue for real. All right, let me help y'all these, cause it look like you struggling over here. All right, squeeze.
Elise got some big blocks.
All right, squeeze. All
Elise
right.
got some big blocks.
Yeah. All right. Now, what we're gonna do is
Sticky.
show y'all how sticky it is, and
I was mixing
just
mine up.
just mix it up. Here you go.
Mine up.
Like stir it a little bit.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Just the slime. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some of the dish detergent.
Ooh.
Some dish detergent. I'm gonna pour this one because I gotta even it off with you and Elise. We're gonna take some of the dish detergent
It's
and
not
we're gonna pour it in there.
It's not good.
And you mix it up, Monty. Mix yours up. Hey, here you go, Lise. Mix yours up.
Look, Daddy.
What?
Look, Daddy. I'll show the camera. Look, Daddy.
What? Let me see.
Oh my goodness.
Ooh.
It's sticky. Daddy, this may turn into blue.
Hold on, we're gonna put some more gel. A little bit more gel in your stuff so we can. Hold on, let me see. So this, let's see where it's at. Oh, okay.
No, let me do it. I want to do it.
Okay. And we're gonna pour some more for you, Lise.
It's gonna be sticky. It's body.
There you go.
I'm stirring it up.
Remember, this is our first time making it. You know, we never made slime before. Ooh.
Look at mine.
Slime.
Sticky.
All right, it's almost time for us to take the hand soap out the freezer. So, ooh, boy, look at that.
Oh, it's making some bubbles.
Making some bubbles.
Look at this. I'm gonna show the camera.
Yeah.
Camera, look. See if it's done.
Okay, let's see how long we got. Okay,
It's done.
and it's finished. 5 minutes.
And we got some popsicles. It's sticky. It's sticky.
Let it sit for 5 minutes.
Ooh.
Like, look how it's like jelly.
It's cold.
Right.
Yeah, it's
Cold.
cold.
All right.
This
Now,
is
what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take it and we're gonna imp your hand soap. Wait, don't waste it, these. Into the slime.
And we're gonna stir it up.
Take your hand soap. And we're gonna take your hand soap
I'm stirring mine up.
in the slime.
Damn it, it almost looked like slime. Look. My thing. Oh, look,
Let me see.
Daddy.
Let me see. All right.
Look how mine's is. Then look how mine's is. I'm just gonna put on my. I'll show the camera.
That's your spoon. Let me see your spoon.
It's almost making blue. It almost looked like slime. So we almost done. Mine looked like almost slime. Look, stir.
I pick up all this shit off the floor.
Okay.
We can get the slime. We just gotta stir it up.
Hey, don't be coming. This is a kids channel, and you coming in my camera cursing and stuff. Can't be doing that.
It's fine.
All right. So, look like.
It looks like slime.
Okay, let's see. Pour a little bit more of this.
Or some more.
We're gonna put some more gel. Oh my goodness. We're gonna get these some more gel glue.
You fit some water? Some water?
Good boy. Hair just to make it smile.
Yeah. Because we don't need no glue.
Hey, Mama Bear, you got something to say? Huh? Well, get out our video if you're not part of our video. Okay. And what we're gonna do is
Daddy, look.
we're gonna come back. All right, stir it up. Y'all stir it up. Now, all right. Now that we made our gel, okay, we're gonna set the gel in the freezer for about what, 30 minutes?
Yeah, 30.
We're gonna set it in there about 30 minutes, and you feel it?
I don't feel it too. don't feel it with the spoon. Oh, look at
Slime.
that.
Slime.
Oh.
Excuse me.
Almost done.
Yeah.
The bubbles in
So we're gonna set it in the freezer.
Ooh.
Yes, baby. After we do this. Okay, we're gonna set it in the freezer for about 30 minutes, and then we're gonna get back at y'all.
It's cold. It's cold.
Well, it was an epic fail. We messed up
Slime.
the slime. It's supposed to be way harder than this,
But you should have watched the glue one.
but we should have put some glue in it, like my daughter said. But it's the slime right here.
It's cold.
It's still slimy though. It's still slimy. Look,
Guys, it's cold.
you tell her it's cold. Let's see. Let me put my hands in there. Ooh.
Oh, you got a lot of gloves.
Ooh, slimy.
It is cold, y'all.
That's slimy. Let me see. Let me touch yours.
Go.
Your mama gonna kill us though.
Look, it's cold.
Ooh. Yeah, I get one of y'all $100 if you go slap your mom in the face right now.
With this?
Yeah, with this.
Buddy, watch out.
$100.
Daddy,
You
watch
hit
out.
your mom in the face. I'm gonna give y'all some $100.
Okay. Buddy, watch out.
You wanna do it?
Yep.
Now you touch me, then I'm gonna beat your
She got scared. Pause. Bag it up. Reverse.
Yep.
But yeah, y'all, that's the video. And oh, y'all right?
I don't know what people say.
You alright?
She did to the chill.
Oh, I'm gonna take it on. Oh God, you almost hurt yourself. But y'all, that's the video.
Like and
We're gonna do another slime video. Probably, but we ain't gonna do one tomorrow. What we gonna do tomorrow? Where we going tomorrow?
to KJ house.
Oh yeah, we're going to KJ house. They got a water slide. I'm saying KJ like y'all know, but yeah, it's my wife's cousin. They got a water slide for the kids. They throwing like a back to school party. So we're gonna go over there, and I just pick up the vlog tomorrow over there. But that's the video.
Like and subscribe.
Papa Bear. That's the baby bears. What you say?
Like and subscribe.
If you like our videos, hit them thumbs up. If you love us, hit the subscribe button. And if you really love us, what to do? Hit the bell, right?
Yeah.
To get the notifications. And we out.
Your breath.
Peace. Your breath stink.
Yours.
Nah. Ha!